besides me breathing like Darth Vader, you should be hearing the creaking sound that piano black trim, the dash for the BMW F10 is doing. After hearing this noise for a few weeks, I decided to sort this issue out. So we are removing that big plastic trim. You need to pay attention. You will have to make sure that the outside temperature or the inside temperature is over 15 degrees so that you don't break anything. I took it out to find out where the noise was coming from, and here is what I found.
These elements are moving here.
Now it's time to use our friendly epoxy glue. In Britain you're gonna find the Gorilla epoxy almost everywhere. It's quite an interesting product in the sense that it is a flexible product. And I applied this epoxy on all of those plastic tabs that over time started to give away and make noise whenever they were touching each other. And this is the final result. The central console, the dashboard, has been fixed. The door cards are still standard. Later in the week I removed them and applied the same repair. I hope that this video helps. If I forgot something or if you have ideas for future videos, please let me know in the comments below, and I shall be seeing you in the next video.